About to be called in. Just taking another turn. And they're off and racing for the Charles Owen pony race. 138 centimetres and under, around 7 furlongs then, and immediately going into a lead with the white cross belts is Fair and Square, ridden by 12-year-old Jamie Perrott. Moves on by about a length to the outside Gaza Cruiser with the yellow cap, a little bit keen. Red with the white noseband is Wee Anthony with Lucy Major, and in the black colours towards the inside at this stage, we've got Little Chick and AJ O'Neill. So as they swing left-handed, and they are racing downhill here, and at the moment it's Fair and Square just about in front, not a lot between the four of them though. Gaza Cruiser, Izzy Marshall towards the outside, then towards the inside Little Chick with AJ O'Neill going the shortest way round, followed by Wee Anthony in the red jacket with Lucy Major. So beginning their swing towards home, and just over half a mile still left to cover. It is out in front, Fair and Square, who's made all so far. Little look over the shoulder by 12-year-old Jamie Perrott, looking to see how the others are travelling. You've got Little Chick on the inside, just being ridden along by AJ O'Neill. In behind in the red with the noseband, Wee Anthony is going quite well. A little bit awkward towards the outside. Yellow cap Gaza Cruiser is just coming under a little bit of pressure now as they race then down towards the final couple of furlongs. And still out in front, Fair and Square, the one they've got to catch, but coming there strongly, Wee Anthony now, who throws down a challenge. They're being followed by Gaza Cruiser and Little Chick as they race down towards the final furlong and a half. And still Wee Anthony and Fair and Square having a good battle out in front. They're about 5 lengths clear of Gaza Cruiser, then in behind Little Chick. Still though, Fair and Square is finding a little bit more out in front, and the Jamie Perrott moves on by a couple of lengths here to Wee Anthony and Lucy Major as they head up towards the line. Then it's still Fair and Square, ridden by 12-year-old Jamie Perrott. He's done enough here and racing up towards the line. Fair and Square will hold off Wee Anthony by a length. Gap back to Gaza Cruiser back in third, then came Little Chick back in fourth.
First, number 2, Fair and Square. Second, number 1. Third, number 4. The fourth place horse, number 3. The full results of our first pony race, the Charles Owen pony race, 138 centimetres and under. First, number 2, Fair and Square. Second, number 1, Wee Anthony. Third, number 4, Gaza Cruiser. The fourth placed horse, number 3, Little Chick.
Still though, Fair and Square is finding a little bit more out in front, and the Jamie Perrott moves on by a couple of lengths here to Wee Anthony and Lucy Major as they head up towards the line. Then it's still Fair and Square, ridden by 12-year-old Jamie Perrott. He's done enough here and racing up towards the line. Fair and Square will hold off Wee Anthony by a length. Gap back to Gaza Cruiser back in third, then came Little Chick back in fourth.
The distances were 1 1/4 lengths and 6 lengths. 1 1/4 lengths and 6 lengths.
So, about to be called in. Lynn is going to be led in. And they're off and racing. Lynn has just about gone with them, so they are racing for the Charles Owen pony race. This is for 148 centimetres and under, around a mile of the trip. Lynn is a fair way behind the others, but has consented to race the mare as they race away then down the far side, racing uphill and about 4 in line at the moment. Miss Wonderful is one of the early leaders. Out very wide is Hope with the starred jacket. Glenby Seabreeze, the one gelding in the lineup, ridden by George Innes Kerr, is also up there with the green sleeves. Another one who's fairly prominent is There She Goes. As I say, race uphill, a couple almost tailed off already. Lynn's gone past one, and that is Green as Grass, living up to that name under young Tom Broughton. As they race then down the back straight and about to swing left-handed, they're going out a good gallop here. It's Hope under William Hill, who goes on by about 6 to 8 lengths here to Glency Breeze in second place, followed by Miss Wonderful, the light blue. They're followed by the familiar Sangster colours of Billie Jean, with Ollie doing the steering. That's making good progress now. Followed by There She Goes on the rail, but a jostling for position in behind. There was a bit of scrimmaging there. They're followed by PTO in the red, but the leader's some way clear. Hope going on by about 6 to 8 lengths still. Can they close on this lead as they race down the straight? And they've got around 3.5 furlongs left to go. Hope still the one they've got to catch there. Miss Wonderful in the light blue with the black cap, ridden by Charlotte Greenway away in second. The Sangster Silks of Billie Jean are coming there strongly under Ollie towards the outside. They are clear of Glenby Seabreeze. To be fair, Lynn is running on quite strongly towards the rear. We've got PTO in the red colours beginning to pick up as well. We have a new leader. Billie Jean is out in front under Ollie Sangster, going on by a couple of lengths to Miss Wonderful, who's trying to rally under Charlotte Greenway. Then in behind in third is Hope, followed by PTO. But it's the Sangster colours, the familiar Sangster colours of Billie Jean, moving on by about 2 to 3 lengths now. From in second place, Miss Wonderful. They're followed by a pretty tired horse, Hope, in third. But up towards the line, Billie Jean under 15-year-old Ollie Sangster will win the final pony race of the day. Billie Jean wins it well by 4 or 5 lengths. Miss Wonderful is second. Back in third is Hope. PTO back in fourth. Pretty close for fifth. Lynn did run on pretty well for that position, followed by There She Goes, Glenby Seabreeze and Green as Grass.
First, number 11, Billie Jean. Second, number 8. Third, number 9, the fourth placed horse, number 10. The full results of our second pony race, the Charles Owen Pony Race, 140 centimetres and under. First, number 11, Billie Jean. Second, number 8, Miss Wonderful. Third, number 9, Hope. The fourth placed horse, number 10, PTO.
Moving on by about 2 to 3 lengths now. From in second place, Miss Wonderful. They're followed by a pretty tired horse, Hope, in third. But up towards the line, Billie Jean under 15-year-old Ollie Sangster will win the final pony race of the day. Billie Jean wins it well by 4 or 5 lengths. Miss Wonderful is second. Back in third is Hope. PTO back in fourth. Pretty close for fifth. Lynn did run on pretty well for that position, followed by There She Goes, Glenby Seabreeze and Green as Grass.